How to remove email accounts from your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your email accounts from your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you will see on the left hand side different options. Head over to the accounts option. After you head over to the accounts option, scroll down and there you should find a section that says email and accounts. Tap on it and there you'll find all the accounts that you have on your device. Now all you have to do is select one and then simply tap on the remove option. You can tap on manage, and after you tap on manage, you'll get logged in and then you can just remove it. And it's that simple guys. You can even add a new account here. And that's basically it. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.